Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're going to be grilling some nice thick center cut pork chops on the Weber Kettle. We're going to be using that Slow and Sear. We're going to do it nice and low. Then at the end, we're going to throw it on the heat, give it a nice sear, a little sauce, good to go. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so first off, I want to say a big thank you to my buddy Mike at Mag Woodworks. He has an Instagram page. I'm going to put his info down below in the description. He made this awesome cutting board. It looks beautiful. But anyway, all right, so we got our two nice thick. You're going to see how thick this is. Look at that. That is thick. Two nice thick pork chops right there. So all I'm going to do, we're going to do some salt, pepper, garlic with some onion powder. All right, so we're going to season it. Then after we season them, we're going to let them hang out for probably about half hour. We're going to let all that nice flavor absorb into the meat. And we're going to take it from there. It's going to turn out good. We're going to finish this off with a little sauce today. That's why I didn't get too fancy with the seasoning. And this is what I'm using. Now, I've never had it before. It's called Adells 4-Finger. Never had it, never saw it. I forgot where I got this from, so I couldn't tell you. I don't know if this was a gift or I have no idea, but it has some interesting ingredients. I think it's going to be good. It's supposed to bring some sweet and heat, so we'll check it out. But anyway, guys, all right, back in a couple. For you, back in a second. Alright guys, so right now I've got this up at 300, so that was perfect. I'm throwing everything on. I got some potatoes, got the chops. I put a probe in one of the chops just so I don't have to come out here. It's cold outside. That's why we got it, right? This way we could just relax and look from inside. Alright, so we're gonna let this go and we'll be back. Alright guys, we just hit 141. Now, I'm going to sear them right now. It's going to be a quick, fast sear. It's not going to be long. It's going to be quick and fast. Do a quick sear. Then I'm going to take them off. And I'm going to use some sauce. Got some nice color, these chops. We use that pecan wood. This chop's got a quick sear. Good stuff. Now I tasted this sauce. It is sweet and it brings the heat. So I'm just gonna go with a light coating. That's it. So I'm going to coat both sides, one side at a time, let it hang out for about 2 minutes. Do the next side. Then we are in business. Alright guys, so the chops are done. They got an internal like 155. The other one's like 157. But anyway, so what we did was we just threw on some SPG with some onion powder. Nice, easy, simple. We coated it. We let it sit for like a half hour. After that, we threw it on the kettle. We used the SNS. That thing is great. Definitely worth trying out if you haven't tried it out before. And what else do we do? We put in some pecan wood. The pecan wood, that's very, very, I like it. It's very versatile. It could go with almost anything. You know, you could use that for almost any kind of protein. But yeah, then I tried out this new sauce. It's definitely sweet and definitely brings the heat. Adells, and here we are. So I'm gonna give it a try. Cut it open and show you how it looks inside. Now the reason why, wow, this is beautiful looking. The reason why we seared it at the end, well, that's because we wanted the smoke to penetrate the meat, which I could tell right here it definitely did. Yeah, that's really, really nice looking. That's really nice looking. Wow. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, shoot me a comment. You guys enjoy. Have a good one.